If one takes away restaurants from a community, it becomes a ghost town, honestly. You know, restaurant operators and food entrepreneurs, you know, we provide sort of a thread in this quilt of building a community. So for me, when people are coming to town, or if someone wants to know where to go eat, not only is it about the food, but it's about the experience. It's about your preferences. It's about knowing, like, when I go out to eat someplace, I want to go to a place where the people go eat. Where do the people go eat, you know? And a lot of times that's the authenticity. That's where I can find some meaningful connections. That's where I can find like some stories, because a lot of those places are patroned by people who go there more than maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and they're part of the community. I like going to Nzingas because it's homegrown. It's a person who is from the Bull City, who has history here, who spent time in the neighborhood. Stylistically, she's doing food that she enjoys eating. And a lot of times for me, when I go to a restaurant to eat, I want to feel that whomever's delivering what they want to deliver, they are in love with doing it. You may go to restaurants that feel more mechanical, and she's just being honest. I like my Cajun grits. I like these chicken and waffles. I like them, so I want you to like them too. That's a place I would totally recommend someone go and have a good meal. You know, a good, delicious Durham eats. Don't go in there with all this. Just go in there, eyes up, open heart. That's it. I'm a big fan of simplicity. Italian food in general, you know, it's all ingredient driven. You know, so when I go to Gocciolina, you know, I think about like simplicity is complexity resolved, right? Food is simple, it's straightforward, it's seasonal, it's easy. It's identifiable. I go there sometimes by myself personally and sit at the bar and just have a good meal. I know the chef owner there, he's been in Durham for a long time, brought his personality to the style of food that he enjoys. And for me, I sense that, I feel that. The idea that someone took a chance, went into a very untraditional environment in a strip center, opened up their place, and when you go inside, you get transported. I have a level of confidence when I go eat there, which is really important. When I bring people to town, I want to take them to places where I trust. When I go there, man, I have faith that they're going to take care of business and deliver on their promise, you know, the style of food that they do. One of the places I really love going, because it's so consistent, it's so Durham, it's so been around a long time, and I love to shout out places that have had sustainability, okay? And that's Kelly and Billy Carter Toast. Really delicious, little sandwichy, lunchy place. Kelly and Billy have been here for a long time. They got history in the market. They're real good people. Now, when I go there, I typically get for lunch anyway, an egg sandwich. Toasted egg sandwich with Taleggio cheese, egg and cheese, okay? With a salad. I'll get a little soup because they make delicious soups. Kelly always offers me some sort of sweet dessert that she makes. I just really enjoy that. You know, I really enjoy that whole idea. And I'll sit and I'll get me a Pellegrino, and I'll sit in the corner and just have a good lunch. I just think it's another homegrown Durham restaurant. A lot of the restaurants on my list, you know, places that's been around. I admire places who have been around. Didn't get caught up or cop to trends. The menu is what it is, it's consistent. I've been here in business in Durham for 10 years. I started my business here for a specific reason. The historical context of Durham being a very entrepreneurial-centric town. I'm gonna use town because I don't wanna ever define it as a city, because it still has this really sort of cozy, neighborhoody feel. Outside of obviously the progression that's happening, hopefully it maintains its texture. The texture that I love and the texture that, you know, I want to share with folk who come and visit here. So.